I have some ready-made fuchka, so let's see I can fry it or not. This is ready-made one, 30 rupees I guess the price of that. So let me see the I can make the fuchka shell or not. Oh, it's happening. I'm frying it in white oil. It's going bigger in size. First I thought it will be like size of a marble, but it's not marble. It's like a ping pong ball and it's fun. Actually I have to deep fry it, but for the tasting purpose I'm not doing it. I'm just doing it in it's a shallow fry, but you can make it as well. The brown fuchka shell, the cute one. See, it is done. And I can have the fuchka party today, I guess. Wow, this is really very cute. So yeah, um, you can buy this kind of fuchka, and then you can prepare this fuchka shell at home.